How to recover deleted messages in Telegram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Search Message Delete Recovery. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Download the first option, which is Recover Deleted Messages app. After you download it, simply open the app. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Allow access to notification. Click on Allow, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Delete Dead Messages. In here, you'll find Telegram. I have no deleted messages in Telegram, so I'm not able to find Telegram in here. You'll simply find Telegram in here. Simply click on it and your deleted messages will be recovered. This is how to recover deleted messages in Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.